Welcome to Beaver. Today we are flying over Grammar Grove, located near Liscum, Iowa. This episode was flown on July 25th of 2022 and is the final of a 5-part series for places on or near the Iowa River in Marshall County. Right now, we are above the entrance, parking lot, and picnic area. Grammar Grove is about 121 acres of woods and was purchased in 1967 by Marshall County. Right now, we are looking over the grove. Due to the thickness of the trees, it was a challenge to go too high or too far with the drone, but we do have a 360-degree view. If you enjoyed this video or series, please give it a like, a share, or both. If you want to get notifications for new videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching Beaver.